Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Roblox login issues. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, check if Roblox servers are down by visiting the official Roblox status page in your browser. If the status shows an outage, wait a few minutes and try again because the problem is not on your device. Next, restart your phone, tablet, or computer to clear temporary glitches affecting the login screen. Now, confirm your internet is stable by opening another website or streaming a short video. If your internet is unstable, restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds and plugging back in. Then, turn off VPN or proxy apps because they can block Roblox authentication. After that, switch networks by trying mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, or a different Wi-Fi network if possible. Next, make sure the date and time on your device are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break secure login. Now, update Roblox to the latest version from the App Store, Google Play, or Microsoft Store. If you are on PC, also update your web browser if you use browser-based login to start Roblox. Then, fully close Roblox by ending the task or swiping it away, and open it again. Next, clear Roblox cache by uninstalling the app and reinstalling it, because mobile apps do not always offer a cache button. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type %localapdata%, and delete the Roblox folder to remove corrupted local files. After deleting, restart the PC to ensure the old files are not still in use. Now, open Roblox and carefully type your username and password, checking for caps lock and keyboard layout. If you forgot the password, tap Forgot Password or Username and reset it using your email or phone number. Next, check your email for security messages from Roblox and confirm any login verification prompts. If you use two-step verification, make sure your Authenticator app is working and the code is current. Now, try logging in from a different device to confirm whether the issue is account-related or device-related. If login works on another device, your main device likely needs a reinstall or network change. If login fails everywhere, reset your password again and wait 10 minutes in case of temporary security lock. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers for Roblox pages, because they can stop login scripts. On PC, allow Roblox through Windows Firewall by searching Firewall, choosing Allow an app, and enabling Roblox. Also, temporarily disable third-party antivirus web protection features that may block Roblox login requests. Then, run Roblox as administrator on Windows by right-clicking the Roblox player and selecting Run as Administrator. If you see error codes, write them down and search the exact code on Roblox support for the official fix steps. Finally, contact Roblox support with your username, device type, and error message if none of the steps work. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss more quick fixes like this. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.